Hey guys, what's up? My name is Seep and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel, which is all about beauty content. In today's video, I'm simply going to share some product recommendations from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale, which is going to be live in the next 2 days or so. Now this one is a particularly makeup edition. I will be sharing a skincare and body care edition as well, and I hope I can do it soon so that it can be helpful for you guys when the sale is live. Quite a few products from these I personally have used, which I can show you as well, and some of these I haven't, but I've heard great reviews about it. It's nearly impossible for one person to just have all the products or use all the products. So these are my personal recommendations, and before we begin, just want to say, don't overspend, don't buy unnecessarily if you don't need it. These are just sheer recommendations if you're looking for a certain product in the makeup category. Before we begin, please do consider subscribing to my channel, as it's all about beauty content. And now let's begin with the video. So I'm gonna mention all the screenshots here so that you can view for yourself as well. So the first product is the Calabar Perfect Matte Primer. This is a full 30 ml bottle. The original price is $850. You're getting it at a 30% off of $595. Now this is a primer that I have personally used before. I don't have it right now on me. It is a very good primer for all skin types. The next one is the Lakme primer, yet again full bottle, 30 grams, originally priced at $750 and you're getting it for $450, which is 40% off. Even that is a great deal. Now personally, I have used this primer. I still have it. I think this is the second time I've purchased it. This is one of the best primers that I've used, and I have super oily skin and it does indeed blur out the pores. The next thing is two of these eyeshadow palettes from Huda Beauty, and they are originally priced at $5,375, which is both of them, and you're getting it at an amazing deal for $3,763. This is one deal that I'll tell you guys not to miss if you were planning to buy Huda Beauty palettes, and trust me, these palettes are so pigmented. In fact, I have one of those palettes and it is so good. Let me show you. This is the palette that I had got last year from the pink sale, and I do not regret buying it at all. But I'll also tell you one more trick on how to get it cheaper than this, which I did from the last year's hot pink sale. So do stay connected with me till the end, because I'm going to tell you a trick that worked for me last year. It might work for you guys this year as well, so just stick around. I'll tell you the trick in the end. Okay, now for somebody who doesn't want to spend so much on eyeshadow palettes, this one, the Makeup Revolution Reloaded combo, is yet again a very good option. You get colorful colors to play with, as well as neutral everyday colors as well, and it's originally priced at $1,900 and you get a 50% off of $950, and I think it's a very good deal. Also, you get two palettes. The next one, again, which I personally have used and talked about in my previous videos as well, is the Nykaa Professional Makeup Palette. Now let me show you this palette as well. Yet again, it is priced at around 3,000 rupees. You get a 25% off and it is for 2,249. So this is that palette. It is a pretty big palette for that matter, but you literally get, like, if you buy one of this palette, you trust me, you do not need anything else for that matter, because it also gives you these 4 to 5 blush shades. It gives you all the neutral colors that you want to play with. It has mattes and shimmers both. Other than that, I can also end up using the brown shades as contour as well, and of course it has a blush, and I can use any of the glitter shades, the shimmer shades, as a highlighter as well. So it is a bit expensive, but it's kind of great deal because it gives you a full package in itself. So this is one palette and it is super pigmented, so this is one palette that I would highly recommend again. The next one is the Lakme Absolute Illuminating Blush Shimmer. This I have personally not used, but I've heard great deals about it. I might myself buy it in this deal, not sure about it yet. Again, 10 grams. It is originally priced at $725 and you're getting it for $363. Great deal again. It's a 50% off. Alright, so the next deal is with highlighters. One is a powder highlighter and the one is a liquid highlighter. So the Maybelline New York Face Studio Master Chrome is originally priced at $550 and you're getting it for $358. Amazing deal again. It's 35% off. And the Wet n Wild Mega Glow liquid highlighter is for $675 originally, and you're getting it for $540, which is a 20% off. Now liquid highlighters is something that you majorly mix in your foundation and apply to get a dewy base. That's how you can use it as a highlighter on points as well, but if I were to suggest you amongst the two, I would definitely recommend the Wet n Wild liquid highlighter, because you can mix it with your foundation as well and can use it on different points to highlight also. So this is something that I would highly recommend. And also a powder highlighter you can get from any of the eyeshadow palettes that already has the glitter shades. You can make that from that as well. So if you're somebody who does not have a liquid highlighter, you can definitely go for this deal. Then the two best concealers that are out there from Maybelline, one is the New York Fit Me concealer and the other one is the Instant Age Refine concealer. Now both are very good. I have them both, I have used them both. The Maybelline Fit Me concealer is originally priced at $475, and for $350 is what you're getting it, so that's a 25% off. And the other one is the Age Refine one, which is for $620, and you're getting a very good deal of $430 off. Personally, in my experience, I prefer the Fit Me concealer to be a lot more better than this one. Reason being, this is a bit clumsy to use. It is all over the place, and after a point I also lost that grip, so it's a little clumsy to use this, while this one's more sturdier. It has this wand which makes it a lot more simpler to use, and also if you're somebody who does not have too much of dark circles or any kind of issues to hide, if you are somebody who's into light coverage kind of a thing with concealers, go for this. If you're somebody who wants more coverage, go for this. But yet again, little clumsier to use, and this is handy to use. Now coming to foundations, these are the two that I would highly recommend. The one is the Huda Beauty Fox filter. If you're somebody who's into makeup, you would know how much this Fox filter has been reviewed and talked about and everything, and everyone wants their hands on, and it is a bit expensive. It's for $3310 originally priced, and you're getting a 30% off for $2317, and I think this is a great deal to get the product. But yet again, if you do not want to spend so much, which is completely understandable, the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless foundation, yet again a very good foundation. This is probably my second or third time that I've repeated this foundation. It's one of the best ones, especially if you're somebody who's oily skin. It is a blessing. Originally priced at $549, you're getting it for $412. That is a 25% off. Next segment is lipsticks. Now the Lakme 9 to 5 weightless matte mousse lipsticks are originally priced at $675, and you're getting it at a very good deal of 50% off, and you're getting it at $338. Now these are very good. It has various shades in them, and you can use them on your eyes, on your cheeks and your lips, and it is a full deal. So that is one product that I would highly recommend. The second one is the Rene Cosmetics Fab 5-in-1 nude lipsticks. Now I did not see the red lipsticks in this range. I'm not sure if they have it or not. Do check it out for yourselves if you're somebody who's into reds. If you're somebody who's into nudes, you get 5 lipsticks for $573, and this product is originally priced at $750, so yet again you're getting a 25% off. Now I have both of these, and both are very good. This has a lot of options with nudes and reds, while this is majorly on nudes. This also comes in red space, so I kind of like have both. So if you're somebody who's into reds, do check it out. I'm not sure if they have that on the sale or not, and these nudes are really good. Like if you buy these two, that's like you have 10 lipsticks, and they're so good and so handy. That of course cream lipsticks are not matte, so it's a pretty great deal, and you just have to keep these two in your bag, and you literally have 10 lipsticks with you in whatever color range you want. So that is a very good deal. While this one you can use on, or even these you can use on your eyes and cheeks and lips. So with lipsticks, this is a very good deal. Now for the mascara, the L'Oreal Paris Volume Million Lashes Mascara. Like if you have been following me since a while, I've just thrown this mascara because it got over and dry. I have been praising this mascara since forever. Like it is something that literally gives looks like you have false lashes. Like, it is that good. So this is a deal you should not miss. If you're somebody who's looking out for a mascara, just go for this one. Originally priced at $8.90 and you're getting it for $6.23. That means 30% off. And if you're somebody who's looking for lashes, I mean, trust me, if you just buy this mascara, you don't really need lashes. If you're somebody who's looking for lashes, yet again a very good deal. This is the Pro Art Premium Lashes, a very good brand. They're originally priced at $200 and you're getting it 10% off, 180 rupees. So guys, that's pretty much it for the makeup editions. I will be launching the skincare edition max by tomorrow, I think, or day after, just so that I can help you out in terms of whether you guys want to buy something. Please do remember, as I said earlier, do not overspend, do not hoard on products that you don't need. Just buy one or two things that you were looking for, and now that they're on sale, you can go and purchase them for yourself. Now about the Huda Beauty palette, the secret that I said that I will share later. Now, as I told you guys that these are originally priced at somewhere around 5,000 or something, right? So I had put it in my sale, the pink box sale, and this was the only product that I had purchased last year from the pink box sale. And I was still making up my mind because it was still somewhere around 3,000 rupees or so. And I just randomly checked the pink box, like I'd given up on this because I was like, I already have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, I don't really need another one. And I just randomly opened the Nykaa app and I went to the pink box sale thing or my cart. And on the last day of the Nykaa pink box sale, that is if the product is still available, of course, I got this product for 2,500, and on the pink box sale is somewhere around 3,000 something, and on the last day I got it for 2,500, and I immediately went and bought it because, I mean, of course, I'm getting it for even further more discount, right? So that is one trick that happened for me last year because I got it at a very reasonable price. And 2,500 are there smaller palettes, which also I have, but I'll show you guys later that. So that is one trick that that worked for me. It wasn't a trick per se, maybe I just got lucky, you never know, but that's what happened with me. And I was looking forward to buy this palette a lot, so maybe it can work. I will definitely try this out this year as well, but I guess it will only depend if the product has not sold out. If it has, then there's no point waiting for last minute, and because it'll just be gone. So yeah, that's exactly what happened with me. I just probably got lucky, but I will definitely try it out this year as well. And if it so happens that you guys try out this trick as well, do let me know if it worked for you also, and we can just help other people also and just, you know, spread the word. Anyways, so that's about it for this video. I will be uploading the skincare version very soon. I might do a hair care one as well and body care one as well. Not too sure because it's a lot to shoot and upload, but let's see, I'll figure it out if I'm able to. And if anything else, if you are planning to buy any other product that I have not recommended to you guys and you guys still planning to buy it and want a person's like and if you want somebody's thought on it, whether you should go for it or not, you can DM me on Instagram. This is my handle. I would be more than happy to help you. And another thing, guys, very exciting news, I have been I am now a part of the Amazon influencer program as well. I will be uploading a lot of things, a lot of product recommendations there as well, be it skincare, makeup, or lifestyle. I'm going to leave the link below so you can check that out as well. I've not started uploading yet. I will keep you guys posted when I do, because it's just today that I got selected for that. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I really hope that these recommendations are of help for you. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing, and do follow me on Instagram as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.